In today's episode, we're gonna make 5 yard signs and we will use our vinyl cutter for that. This might be the most time consuming process for this type of product, and yet we can't seem to stop making them this way. We'll explain the reason why, but first, this is where you can get your blank yard signs. Go to our website, that is www.rdidecals.com. Find the store button and click on any image. There, you will find all kinds of different options to equipment, materials, and tools that we use for our projects. Also, if you have a gold membership, you can access our decal calculator to come up with estimates for your projects. Just select the type of membership you acquired and enter the password provided through our YouTube channel after joining our community. If you want to join or get an idea about the memberships, just click on Get Membership button. After that, it will take you straight to our YouTube channel where you will get all different options to our memberships. Thank you for your support. You can also find our affiliate links in the description of the video or on the very first comment. We're gonna use the Graphtec CE 6060, a 24-inch vinyl cutter, and the vinyl we'll be using is the Oracle 651, our favorite vinyl. Remember that you can use any vinyl cutter to make these products. In fact, we have used Cameo 4 12 inches, Cameo 4 Pro 24 inch, so it doesn't really matter what type of vinyl cutter you own. About Oracle 651 vinyl, this is a permanent, outdoor, water-resistant vinyl and can withstand the elements, so there's no really need to laminate it, although it is not a bad idea if you want it to last longer. According to the manufacturer, it should last up to 5 years, even if you decide not to laminate it. If you look closely, these yard signs were only one color and not too bad to weed out. Whenever we want to get a project out quickly, and if we're not that busy, we may decide to make them by using this process. Let us know in the comments if you would love to be doing this from the comfort of your home, just like we are. Every time I look at the data from our affiliate store, I can see people are buying vinyl cutters from Graphtec to Cameo, even Cricut cutters. This is the main reason we keep making and showing this process, and not only yard signs or car decals, but we also make banners, car magnets, and a lot more. In fact, our last video was about car magnets, so I recommend you go and check it out if you haven't done so. We know a lot of those people getting vinyl cutters dream of quitting their jobs and do this full time, even if it's a lot of work making these products with just a vinyl cutter. We know this because we got to a point where we'd rather be doing this than putting up with being very unhappy at work. This is the reason we keep making these videos. Remember that we're not in the business of making decals, but our real business is in helping and inspiring other people to become fully independent. Of course, using a digital printer is easier and cheaper in the long run. But if you do not own one, you can outsource different products just like we do, especially for bigger quantities and if you need to print something like this. Let us know in the comments if you want to learn more about this process of outsourcing different products. For this project, we used two different transfers. The main one was our favorite, the Art-Tape Clear Choice AT 75.1, but we also wanted to try the new transfer, the Conform series, and this is all the information about both transfers. To make this process faster and easier, we're gonna use the alignments that we applied using the software. After exposing the alignments, now we can start applying the decal. Now we gotta repeat this 10 times. So you can imagine how long this would take if we didn't have enough help. Luckily, today there's plenty of us, so this will take only a few hours. Outsourcing these signs would have been a better option. So I totally get it when people say that it doesn't make any sense why we would decide to make them using a vinyl cutter. I strongly recommend you outsource whenever possible. This project took about the same time as making and applying car decals. Unfortunately, the margins are very different. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you would like to support us additionally by joining our VIP community, just go to the join button and you will get all different memberships available. Just make sure you read every single one of them as they all offer different perks. Thank you for your support.